So today we are going to make program on SI, which is simple interest. So let's begin. First of all, we have to enter the principal amount. So P equal to, it's in capital letter. P equal to int input enter principal amount. Okay, this goes well. PRT. Now we will enter the rate of interest. Enter the rate of interest and then we will enter the time. Input enter the time period. So we will assign the value of a simple interest to C. So what's the formula for a simple interest? This is a common thing that you should know, the basic maths formulas for Python fundamentals. So firstly you are going to multiply principal amount with R and then T and dividing the whole by 100. This will be your simple interest. So print S simple interest is so our program is complete. Let's check that it is running or not. Enter the principal amount. Let it be 10,000. Rate of interest 14. Enter the time period for 2 years. You can see that the simple interest is 2800. Okay, our program is running. So friends, this is all for today's video. You can comment on which topic you want the next video so we can make the program.